Hi everyone, have you ever heard the term SSIS as a data expert and you're probably confused what it is? In this video, I'm going to be talking to you more about SSIS. First of all, welcome to my cyberspace. Now let's get right into it. What is SSIS? Now let's even go to Google and type in SSIS and see what we see up on Google. So SSIS, according to Google, says it's SQL Server Integration Service. It says it's a Microsoft platform for building high-performance data integration and workflow solution, primarily used for extracting, transforming, and loading data into data warehouse and other systems. It provides a GUI with Visual Studio that allows users to create data integration package by dragging and dropping components, after offering a flexible and user-friendly approach to complex data management tasks. Obviously, this video is not for you to just come and check out what I want to check on Google, but literally what SSIS is it's called SQL Server Integration Service. So what we see here is actually a tool that is very useful for data experts to be able to load and transform a data. So what is like a use case of SSIS? You think about when you are working as a data analyst or a data scientist, data in the real world is actually not very clean. It is dirty. It is coming from different sources, different formats. We need a form of way to be able to get all this data better. So when you see it in a flat file or a CSV file, it has gone through some pre-processing. And when you see terms like extract, transform, and load, so what this is just trying to say is that we are getting this data from somewhere, we are transforming it, and we are loading it. So SSIS is one of the tools out there that is being used by Microsoft for us as data experts to be able to do some manipulation to our data. So you might be asking, oh, you're a data scientist, why would I want to learn SSIS, or why should I not learn SSIS? In the next video, I'm going to be talking more about SSIS. I'm going to be talking about how to get started, how to install, and also like practical projects that we can work with for SSIS. Stay tuned. Thank you. Ciao.